Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Hook. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance with minimal fees. But before we dive in, I've got a special giveaway for you. I'm giving away $60 to one lucky person. All you need to do is 1. Watch this video till the end. 2. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. 3. Leave a comment telling me why you want dollars. Once we hit 500 likes, I'll randomly pick a winner, so hit that like button now. Now, let's get started with today's tutorial on transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. Step-by-step guide, transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Step 1. Open OKX exchange. First, open your OKX app on your mobile. Step 2. Go to Assets. After opening OKX, navigate to Assets. Select Withdraw, then choose Crypto Withdraw. Step 3. Select USDT and on-chain transfer. Choose USDT as the currency. Select on-chain for the withdrawal method. Step 4. Choose the right network. You'll now see a list of network options. Keep in mind that network fees vary. OTRC20 and ERC20 fees are usually high. The lowest fee option is using the TON network. So, we'll go with the TON network for minimal fees. Step 5. Open Binance for deposit address. Now, open your Binance app. Go to Wallet, then select Spot. Step 6. Get your USDT deposit address. Click on Deposit and search for USDT. Make sure to select the TON network to match the one you selected in OKX. Copy the deposit address and don't forget to copy the memo ID as well. Both are required for the deposit to be successful. Step 7. Paste address and memo in OKX. Go back to OKX and paste the deposit address from Binance. Copy the memo from Binance and paste it in OKX's memo field. Step 8. Enter withdrawal amount and submit. Type in the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Hit Submit and confirm the transaction. Step 9. Authentication. Enter your email and Google Authenticator codes when prompted. Once you confirm both codes, the withdrawal request will be submitted. Step 10. Check withdrawal status. You can check the withdrawal status in OKX. It typically takes around 1 minute to process. Step 11. Verify on Binance. Go to Binance and refresh the page. You should see the USDT deposit appear within 30 seconds. And that's it. Your USDT has been successfully transferred from OKX to Binance with minimal fees. The entire process only takes about 2 minutes. I hope this guide helped you transfer USDT easily and save on fees by choosing the right network. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Crypto Hook, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more crypto tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.